Okay, so we are going to draw a beautiful, exciting puppy today. Okay, and a puppy is a dog. What's the first letter of a dog?
D.
D, correct. D is for dog. All right, so hold your pen. Let's start. Your black one. Okay, so we start with a big oval shape. Make it big enough. Not too big. It will not be so big that the eyes of the dog will. So you have to draw the same size again here then. So come up a little bit, not the same level. Just come up a little bit and draw the same size of it. You didn't make it the same size. One is big, one is small, but it's okay. Then let's also draw the nose. Are you ready? All right, so here I'm going to give it a little, just draw a straight line, a horizontal line like this. Not too big, just a little bit. Then curve it from under it like this. Give it a curve under. Good. And then from the middle of the curve, you draw a line off, a curve, actually a curve, and the same from the same spot, another curve again. That's the nose. Fantastic. Okay, so now what we're going to do next is to draw the ear and the head. See where we're going to start. Are you set? So just from somewhere this side of the eye here. Okay, from somewhere near, yeah, that place. Then draw a zigzag line. Make a zigzag line and come down enough and curve it. Zigzag. Okay, and then curve it round so that will make the head of the puppy go gradually. Don't go too fast so you don't make mistake. Okay, then you come down, then come down a little bit more here. All right,
I did not do my own.
yeah, that's okay, that's fine. Okay, then let's make the eyes. It's looking more like a ghost. So let's draw off a curve here, a curve inside the eye like this. Okay, I did on that one. Then do on this other one, another curve inside the eye like that. Good. Then let's use the blue pen and give it a little of a blue eye.
My pen.
Take the blue pen.
I have to cover it so it will come inside.
Okay, then let's create a little, give it, don't color the entire eye. Okay, yours is so big. So shade, leave a little bit, just form a circle there. You can form a circle and leave it.
This is
Oh, you shading all. All right, so what you're going to do is shade a little bit of this place and leave a small rounded circle there for the pupil. Then shade all. Shade the bottom, shade from down here and come up a little bit. Okay, go round it, make it round. It's okay. Okay, so do the same for this. All right, so let's also give it another shade there. And leave a little white space. It's okay, it's fine. All right, so let's draw the other ear. Are you ready? Yes! Then from here, good.
I'm ready.
Okay. You are not using the black pen. Sorry. Take your black pen. We've switched. You can shade on top of the black. Yeah. Good. All right, so do that and come down until you get the second ear of the dog, and then curve it and stop somewhere here. That's beautiful. Your dog is looking fine. Okay, and just draw a line down here by the neck and curve it to this point. Not too big, a little to the other ear. Good. Curve like this and stop somewhere here as if it's a hook. And then join again the other one. Your heart is like a circle. That's fine. Okay. Then from here, from this part, you have to go off like this because your heart is a little bit on the by the side. Don't draw it off straight. Okay. Yeah. And then come down a bit. Come down here. Come down a lot more. It's okay.
It's like a big mango. It has a long tail.
All right. So let's complete the leg. Draw off a zigzag line as well, horizontal zigzag line, and then go up. That's the leg. It's okay. It's okay. Then come down a little bit somewhere here, and also make another zigzag line like this. And from here, also zigzag line for the second leg. Come down past this line. Come down. Good. And then from the bottom there,
Daddy,
another one.
It looks like this and this and this.
Yeah. And then come down again here. Go up, draw it up like this, zigzag. Beautiful. So to make the rest of the body, come somewhere here around the neck, around the ear, I mean. Then make a zigzag line going off a bit, Make it to go off, and before you curve it. You didn't go off. But it's okay, continue. Continue and come down. Continue and come down until you join the leg. Join the leg somewhere here. See where daddy joined the leg is somewhere here. Okay, that's too fine. It's too fine. Okay. Then let's make the tail.
Oh.
Okay. So can you draw a line like this? From the bum and another line like
It
this.
It looks like my bum.
Yeah. Okay, so a second one. Then make something like as if you're making a hand or a finger. Just draw like a finger. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Can I come?
So, wait, let's complete this. Let's complete the heart. This is a pendant. So just draw a double line to join the heart. Yeah, awesome.
My hat looks funny.
Yeah, that's fine. It's okay. So we're going to color this now. All right, are you with your pink? Let's go ahead. Color the pendant, which is the heart. Your puppy is looking happy. Very happy puppy.
It's because he has a lollipop.
Here's lollipop. Where's the lollipop?
It's on his hand, but I'm pretending he has a lollipop.
Okay, all right. Then also let's give the nose. This nose, we need to give it a black color. The nose is black. I'm using black now. Are you done with painting your heart?
No, not yet.
All right. So let's take the black. Let's make it black. Which color are we going to paint the dog?
And brown.
Brown, good. All right, so let's paint the dog brown. Your dog is looking nice. Dog is so happy.
And this.
It looks like mine is not happy, but yours is happy. All right.
Yours is sad.
Oh, maybe sad. Okay, so
Where
let's start from somewhere here. Remember, you have to first get the outline. done. Oh, wow, this is nice. Sama's dog is looking so wonderful. So, what's the first letter of a dog?
D.
What?
D.
D. Good. All right. So you're going to write the letter D somewhere at the top here. Which color are you going to use to write?
Green.
We want to use green. Okay. All right. So let's write. It's too hard for you to open the pen.
My cover.
The cover. Okay, it's okay. All right. So write your letter D. Write it somewhere. Okay, good. It's fine. Wow, D for dog. That's good. So letter D.
You did not draw your D.
I'm doing that now. So D for dog.
Oh.
This is fine. The dog is so fine. Wow. Okay, so we've come to the end of this video.
And subscribe to the channel.
She's already saying that you should subscribe to the channel. So please subscribe to the channel and always come back. Thank you and bye.